Hey there, welcome back to Tech Beginnings. Ever wanted to save something on your screen? Like a funny meme, an error message, or a receipt? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to take screenshots in Windows 11 using simple methods anyone can do. Let's dive right in. Press the
print screen
key on your keyboard. This takes a full screenshot of your screen and copies it to your clipboard. You can then open something like Paint or Word and press Ctrl V to paste it. Click the Start button and type Snipping Tool. Open the app. Click New and drag to select the part of the screen you want to capture. Once it's taken, you can save it or copy it right from the app. For a fast screenshot, press Windows key Shift S. This opens a snipping menu instantly. You can select a rectangle, freeform, window, or full screen. The image is saved to your clipboard and shows a small preview in the bottom right corner. Now if you use Windows key
print screen,
your screenshots are automatically saved in the Pictures Screenshots folder. And that's it! You now know 3 easy ways to take screenshots in Windows 11. In the next video I'll show you how to install your apps and programs in just a few clicks. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Windows 11 tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.